Now, much of the Wabash Valley is under a burn ban and a red flag warning. Vigo County officials continued the countywide open burn ban because the falling leaves, continued dry weather, and high wind created a critical fire level. The burn ban continues until further notice. The Vigo County commissioners receive constant updates on the dry conditions and put the bans in place as needed. Officials say even with the bans in place, it's up to everyone to be responsible.
The people at their homes, at the campsites, wherever they may be, common sense tells them that right now is not a good time to burn.
With all the dry weather, you may wonder how much rain it'll take to bring relief. Storm Team 10's Pamela Gardner will have that information for you tonight on News 10 Night Watch.